Hi everyone. I read somewhere a little reading is all the therapy a person needs sometimes. Welcome to the book reading series is presented by the most lively personality, Mr. Gratitude Kiran Kurvade.
Thank you very much, Namita. I really appreciate that. Thank you for your kind words. I met Namita at one of the well-established colleges in Yamunanagar, Haryana, few years ago during my motivational session over there. Namita was an assistant professor over there, and now she is pursuing her research, PhD in management, to be very specific in finance. So certain relations are like striking of the lightning, like a flash. You meet all of a sudden and then you remain connected forever. This is how we met just once, and then we followed each other. We respect each other. I really appreciate her research-oriented approach in life. She looks at things in a very clean and purest possible way. One of her favorite lines: speak to the people in such a way if they die next day, you'd be satisfied with the last thing you said to them. Inspiring, right? She makes the competitions irrelevant because of her purity, because of your high purpose and passion in life. Yeah. So keeping that in mind, making the competitions irrelevant. If I may choose today this book in our book reading series, that is Blue Ocean Strategy. Yeah, Blue Ocean Strategy. I'm sure those who are into business management would have gone through this. How to create the uncontested market space and make the competitions irrelevant. In fact, a couple of years ago, I had picked up this when I was associated with one of the business schools. This is co-authored by Chan, Kim and Renee. Kim has co-founded the Blue Ocean Strategy Network, that is BOSN. You can check it on like blueoceanstrategy.com, along with Renee. And Renee is a co-founder and co-director of the INSEAD Blue Ocean Strategy Institute. Of the INSEAD, yes, the world's second largest business school aside Harvard Business School, as we know. Studying over there would be a dream coming true. INSEAD, France, and both of their articles in Harvard Business Review, like bestseller. They have also co-authored their articles in Wall Street Journal Europe, the New York Times, and the Financial Times, among others. The contents of this book, Blue Ocean Strategy, there are basically 3 parts, altogether 9 chapters. The first part is Blue Ocean Strategy, and it's about creating blue oceans, analytical tools and frameworks, very important. Part 2 is formulating the Blue Ocean Strategy, that is reconstruct market boundaries, focus on the big picture, not the numbers, reach beyond existing demand, get the strategic sequence right. Yeah. And part 3 is executing, and part 3 is executing Blue Ocean Strategy. So this is overcome key organization hurdles, build execution into strategy, and conclusion, the sustainability and renewal of Blue Ocean Strategy. If I may sum up Blue Ocean Strategy, there are 4 quadrants, y-axis versus x-axis. We all know how to make the quadrants. This is one thing which actually enhanced my interest in developing my own matrices. I had developed vision versus action on y and x axis, then personality versus character. I did that also. I love to make my own matrix. So the famous matrix over here, okay, I'll read out, you can Google out. That's eliminate, raise, reduce and create. It did help me a lot. As a training head by then, around 2010 to 2013, I was with India's one of the giants when it comes to white goods, electronics organizations. Yeah. So as a training head, it helped me how to strategize the trainings and how to develop annual training calendar. So whenever I used to present, I used to use this quadrant, what to eliminate, what to raise, what to reduce and what to create. It's very easy. It's like a snapshot. Key takeaways from this book is building the quadrants. Yeah. Make the markets irrelevant and make the competitions irrelevant. Yeah, because in that extra mile where you are very honest and passionate and you know your purpose and you have absolute clarity about the purpose what you are doing, there is no competition.